this is the recipe. A very tricky way to prepare this food. You need to have the experience, the technique, everything before you can prepare this food. And I believe after watching this video, you'll be able to prepare your own wasawasa at home, especially those who have migrated from north to the southern part of it, or even abroad people as well. It's only yam, like yam food, and it's been done in a special and nice way. You have no idea about it. Mamma mia. Oh, kodo. Pepper, salad, wasawasa. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco. Now I'm back again. So today I'm bringing you one of the healthiest, delicious dish from the northern part of Ghana, tamale. This food is mostly eaten by the Muslims and the Northerners. The food is called wasawasa or black jollof. There are lots of controversies about this food that we will talk about it today. Some say you can't pass gas or fat when cooking this food. Some also say you can't cook this food whilst on your menstrual cycle. Others also say that you only need the yam peels to prepare this food. But in this video, I will bring you all the answers to this story with Madam Khadija, who has been selling this for the past 8 years now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother. It's really important to share this video to showcase our local food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. And don't forget to subscribe to the page and follow the channel as well. Let's do this. So basically, this is the ingredients or the main ingredient for the wasawasa. Okay, so we have yam. And the yam was chopped into pieces. Okay, so aside the peels, you need the yam itself, okay, to dry it and to grind it. Okay, so when you want to use the peel as well, then you take off the skin, okay, like this. You take off the skin like this. The peels is being taken off like this. So this the reason why people say that they use yam peels to do it, but you need the whole yam to do it, not only the peels. Okay, so if the skin is taken off, you have something like this. You dry it. When it's hard for 2 days, you pound it a bit, then you go and grind it. Then you have the flour, and there's the flour, and you start the process. Grinded yam, and I will make it wasawasa. Okay, so what is being added inside or mixed with the flour, the pounded, and then grinded yam, and you have something like this. So what is being added gradually. So she is a wasawasa seller inside tamale. This is Madam Khadija, and Madam, say hi. Hi. So how long have you been doing this?
That's 8 years.
Hey, you've been doing wasawasa for 8 years?
Yes.
Wow. An experience, Ankasa. Wow. So this is the process of wasawasa, the black jollof, tamale jollof. So it's more or less like making a Burkina. So after kneading and mixing everything together, we have something like this, this nature. Okay, making sure that we have particles in smaller particles. So she's separating the big ones from the small ones. Okay, it's one of the most delicious food we have in the northern part of Ghana. Really delicious, really delicious. Okay, so another flour will be added to the big particles. Okay, to make sure that the lumps become smaller. Okay, so you need smaller particles, not bigger ones, or the lumps. So as you can see, it's changing. Like you have smaller lumps right now. Okay, because you don't need them inside your wasawasa. You need to have the technique and the skill to be able to prepare this food. And this one is ready. You can be served with shito or stew. Anything that you want, fish, just name it. Okay, that's Sakola family. Say hi. Say hi. Nayan hi.
Yeah, hi.
The Shaolin family. The Shaolin family, yeah. Shaolin family. So we're done with the first step of it by mixing water to the yam, flour, And finally you have something like this. Okay. So as I said, you need to have the technique, the skills, and the ability to have knowledge about how to prepare this. If not, you can't do it. And we have this pan over here with the hose. Okay, so this kind of a sieve. So basically, as I said, it's more like making Burkina. Okay, so we're about to steam the wasawasa, the just mix yam. So the bigger particles is being mashed together again, making it to the paste form. Water is added. So basically you need to get some of these particles so that I can use for I believe she's going to use this thing to seal around the pot so that the vapor will not come out. Since I've been doing much of this stuff, I have an idea of what sometimes goes on. Yeah, so as you see, she's using it to seal around it so that the vapor from the water will not go out, so that we're able to all come here and steam the wasawasa, just like making Burkina, or how the Senegals were steaming their rice. Okay, so if you don't have some of the lamps or some of the remaining to do this, you can mix any flour and seal with it. So it can be cake, anything. Like you have to seal it. You have to wait 5 ways and means to seal it so that the vapor will not go out. Everything will stay inside. So they add salad, cabbage salad to the wasawasa. Okay, so this is the cabbage. You have bell pepper over here, and over there too is onion. So she's using the butcher. This butcher, we don't do chocolate bottle.
I don't know what they try there.
What's the bottle?
Whoa.
Then whoa. This sliced like this with small particles, nicely done. The onions also comes in. Man, this knife over here, abuchi knife, the suya knife. This is suya abuchi knife. Very sharp. And the cabbage comes in like that. So basically making salad with it. Yeah. Now mix everything together. So we're adding fresh tomatoes to the salad. We're adding salt to wash the salad. We have a boiling water over here, and the vapor is coming up. You can see the steam is coming up. So very soon we add in the wasawasa, and as you can see, all here is dried up as well. Okay. So when you're about to pour it inside, you have to make sure that you mix them well. Okay, like that. So everything goes inside like this. Wow. And it's being spread around like making Burkina, or else how the Senegals were steaming their rice. Yeah. Yeah, kind of same process. So as you can see, the vapor is coming out and it's changing, like from brown to kind of whitish color. Now we cover it with the sack. So after 7 to 10 minutes, we have something like this, and I believe she's checking for the consistency. It's not like this. So for 7-10 minutes. So she has been selling this for 8 good years, and as she just explained, people love this food to the extent that some can't even go a day without it. Okay, so it's being transferred to a different sieve because it has to cool. So making sure that it's being spread around nicely into smaller particles so that air can circulate in between. And this really takes time.
Oh, tiam, jab se makar mage. Gatel palen lan lapsele.
Okay. So this is the first stage. So after it's been cooled down, they wash it and to go back again the boiling water. Yeah, so we added water to the wasawasa, okay, to wash it after it's been cooled down, and this is the process and the steps. Man, you need to have the correct steps to do this. If you really want to know how to do this, you have to really follow the steps and the procedure. So I'm making sure that I'll bring you all the steps and the method so that you're able to do this at home. Okay. So basically, this is a food for the sheep. Okay. So as she's throwing away the liquid, the sheep want it, and they were here standing waiting for it because they know that that's how she'll be doing. So they're waiting for it. So the first 10 minutes of the steaming was just to make sure that it's formed, or it has this color. She's squeezing, making sure that there's none or there's no water inside. It's very necessary to take out water, if not it will take time to cook. So the first 10 minutes that was steamed is just to put things together. The heat was only to make sure that the flour is solidified, so that when water was added to not dissolve. So adding salt to it. So it's two options. Okay, you can add salt to this process now, or you can wait when someone is buying or when you're about to eat, then add salt to it. So go back inside the sieve, and I'm about to steam it again. To be on fire for like 7-10 minutes, just like the first step. So it's all about steaming, and the vapor doing the magic. So we have something like this after 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, wasawasa. So the oil that was fried will be used on top like this. Wow. Man, the aroma coming is not easy. Wow. Such an amazing recipe. Very well. So basically, I have my wasawasa here. Oh, papa. I say it's better than you. Stay BRB. Wow. Man, so we have the food and as requested, yeah. This is the recipe. A very tricky way to prepare this food. You need to have the experience, the technique, everything before you can prepare this food. And I believe after watching this video, you'll be able to prepare your own wasawasa at home, especially those who have migrated from the north to the southern part of it, or even abroad people as well. Okay, so let's take a bite. Anyway, I know how it is because I tried this food 2 days ago, and man, amazing ankasa. So the reaction must be the same. Hey, yabede. Man, it was awesome.
Nah, it
was awesome. It was awesome.
Nah, Dema.
That's awesome. Hey, okay. Man, mommy was awesome, right?
Nah, man, I'm the wasawasa.
Man, amazing recipe. So pepper, salad, wasawasa. Okay. Not that hard. It's doable. Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I believe you can also prepare your own wasawasa after watching this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, Tamale Diaries, or Kodo. This is Wasawasa, the black jollof, the Tamale jollof.
Location is Gurugu.
Gurugu.
Location
is Gurugu. Gurugu in Tamale. Or Kodo. Man. Wow. So let's meet again. Cooking with Sindaco. Man, I'm out. I'm enjoying myself. Meet the better. So yeah, so basically we done with the Wasawasa, and during the process she went to buy tin tomatoes. Okay, so meaning that she always, like, I asked her that she buy tin tomatoes every day. She said yes, because that's what she used for the sauce. And since I have tomatoes over here, and she also being kind to me, because normally today she was not supposed to cook. Today's a resting day, but I came here yesterday night to speak with her, and she agreed to cook with me. Okay, so I'd like to support her with some few tin tomatoes I brought, okay, to support her business. So I have, and also the husband. So look wherever.
Oh yeah. Where you also what?
Okay, anyway, okay. So this is one shirt for him, and I have some tin tomatoes. So since you buy every day, this is tin tomatoes. Yeah. So Onje.
There should be a picture so that.
Okay, so basically some side tomatoes. These are tin tomatoes. This is the normal tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. This one, and this is grinder, and the sardine. Yeah, so something small for the boy. This is Madam Hadija, right? Hadija. She prepares wasawasa and sells it. Man, I tried it and Optimo. Yeah, that's the word, Optimo. Okay, so if I tamale and around this, yes, I need to get a rolling tank, yeah, gurugu. And if once I want to do wasawasa authentic one, but man, I've just tried it and I'm endorsing her to you. Hey, what's your number? Telephone number?
Well, my phone number. 054 88 08 131.
Call Madam Hadija for your wasawasa. It doesn't matter where you are in Tamale. She can give it to Trotro or yellow. Then delivery. Echo delivery. Order your wasawasa from her. Yeah, like authentic wasawasa. Yeah, from Madam Hadija. Okay.